yayikore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware yayikore manye umbanzanga okunza ya byake moyo babo kwenda kwa kumuna vinye yenda lwaloso ikuza ya kwakwe moyo watu wa wana bayetokake siaza ya kwaku Umsrekibwe moyo ekware kwa wana baba mwantile mwakale kingu wapepelyo mwana tata kondoni waiyongelwe mwapepele oya mobebe umbanzange moyo ekware yayikore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware yayikore manye umbanzanga umbanzange moyo ekware yayikore manye umbanzanga.
Do you love classical music? Well, if you do, now there's a better way to listen to your favorite songs than using a video site or a radio station.
Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama luyufula tata mbemba Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya luyufula tata mbemba Yambulangende mama luyufula tata mbemba Yambulangende mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala si mama luyufula tata Yambulangende Yambulangende mama luyufula tata mbembe mama tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya luyufula tata Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina besikinzasa mama luyufula tata mbemba kinzonzi mumenga kena baunina bena kuzongu yaya luyufula tata Yambulangenda kinzonzi mumenga kena luyufula tata mbemba mama Yambulangende mama, Yambulangende mama, Atambenga kitonzi mumenga kena baunina bana bakala simama. Yambulangenda kitonzi mumenga kena luyufula tatambemba mama. Yambulangende, Yambulangende mama.
Kiambote. Tetele.
Kiambote.
Welcome. So, yeah, let me tell you. Oh, that's my brother. Let me tell you. Okay, thank you very much. That's my brother, you right?
Yeah.
Okay, tutondele. Gizambote, hello, welcome. If you are watching, this is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom spoken in. I'm going to tell you again, help, please. Oh, that's like Kikongo is spoken in.
Angola, Congo, Brazzaville, Congo, Kinshasa, and Gabon.
Thank you very much. Gizambote, welcome. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. We know it is Sunday, but Kiako Kiako, Kiangani. Oh, then what tell you? Okay, Tata, this is for you because Tata has been here. Okay. I think Papa, Tata, the couple from Los Angeles are coming, so let us wait a bit. But meanwhile, Tata, sorry to bother you again. I know what you're going to say. Not again. Kikai, would you believe? We talking. Hello, sister.
Kayambote.
Kiambote. Sorry, I know it's early. The other time is earlier. Sorry.
Right.
I'm going back just for you and Tata Mabiala because we are learning something very important today.
Okay, well, he'll be here in a minute. I'll just go check on him.
Yeah. We are learning something. Oh, what's happened? Ah, she's gone. Are you there, sister? Okay. Latest.
Yes, I'm
Yes. Tata Mabiala, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. We're going to learn about Luvila. Basically, when you're talking about Congo Kingdom, you're talking about Luvila. We have on our motto. We have Kikulu, tradition, Luzito, which is respect. Yeah, no Luzito tale. Luzito.
I just know Luzito means respect.
No, tell you, no Luzito.
Yes. I was watching a video by Nengo.
Kinzonzi. Let me just write it down. This is a Congo Kingdom motto. I mean, they haven't written down, but this is what Kinzonzi. Take note. Kinzonzi. 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 Luzitu. Luzitu. Kinkulu. Kinkulu. Yes.
Kikulu quieto.
Yes. Sorry. What's happened? Give it to it. Something's going wrong here. Sabana should not take. Yes, there. Okay, sorry. I need to do something here. No. What did I say? Kinzonzi? Yes?
Kinzonzi.
Kinzonzi, Kikulu, Kikulu, and Luzitu. Take note, this is very important.
Kinzonzi means debate.
Sorry?
Does Kinzonzi mean debate? Kinzonzi means debate, right?
Yeah, talk, you're right, yeah, good.
Kinzonzi means debate.
Well done, talk, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I thought it
you're
meant
right, it's something,
eloquent.
Yeah.
Kinzonzi.
Yeah.
People are known for
when they sit around and talk about.
Yes, Kinzonzi, okay. Kikulu, a tradition.
I know about that.
Have you taken note of that? Have you taken note? Read something here? Kinzonzi, Kikulu, Luzitu. These are Kongo Kingdom mottos. Can you show the screen on the bottom right? We have Kikulu, yeah? Kipapa, Kipinga. Okay. Time is going, let's move. How is this coded?
I have a question, Tatampan.
Oh, go ahead, please.
Yeah. Can Kinzonzi also mean eloquence?
Oh, yeah. It is an umbrella of everything under Kinzonzi, eloquence, yeah. But basically, the root word is Nzonzi. Zonza, in other Kikongo variant is to talk. We say Vova. If you go to Congo Brazzaville, they say Zonza. But if you flip it over, listen careful, Zonza in a variant is argument. Arguing.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Can you hear me, Sister Candace? Because you're going to read something here, because you missed this one. Oh, brother is here. Can you see my screen, sister?
Yes.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh, hello, brother.
Hey, sorry I'm late.
Let me try to remove. Hello, welcome.
Welcome.
I'm going back to very, very important lesson.
Okay.
Anyone that is studying African Congo anthropology, you must learn this. Okay, this is a lecture. University lecture on Congo Kingdom. Congo Kingdom, we are, let me just quickly, introduction. We knew genetics before. Okay, I need to control my tongue because we are live. Yeah, you understand? we knew genetics before many people. So we're going to learn Congo genetics today.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone is saying, I know he's saying, not again. Tata is saying that.
Yeah.
No. This is good. It's a good review for me.
Remember Kikai?
Yeah, we remember it.
Okay. Don't worry, Tata, I'm joking. Okay. Who can read this? Tata, can you see?
Yeah, I can see it. The live thing is kind of in the way. Wait.
In the beginning, yes.
Hold on. Okay, so in the beginning of Angolan War of independence in the early 1960s, there was a massive exodus of refugees from the north of the country to the DRC. Most of them were Bakongo ethnic group. Fortunately, UNHRC did not have to build tents for every single family that escaped the war. Thanks to the work that was done by the Belgian priest by the name of Luvila, the UN agency went from village to village looking for people with Luvila names that matched those of the refugees. Whenever there was a match, a family would be given a land by those of the same Luvila and settled down.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. So this was written in 1934. Yes. Now your turn, Sister Candace. this one. Before you read, okay. Before you read, generally speaking, I'm always emotional when I'm thinking about ancestors that were taken to the U.S. But this is what you wrote last time. Can you read this, sister, please?
I can't see the first word, but does it say Angolese?
We apologize. We apologize. Yes.
Oh, we apologize regarding our statement on our ancestors who were taken by force to America. Our statement reads, if they had known their Luvila, but the corrected statement should be, if they had recorded their Luvila, there wouldn't be a need for African Americans of Congo origin to do a DNA test.
Thank you very much. Understood. So far, so good.
So good.
Yes.
So far, so good.
Let me just give you an example. There was, I knew one, but we heard about one, but there's been many people. Cuban, a brother from Cuba that came to Angola as soldiers. They knew the Luvila because the Luvila is a code for your clan names, the code.
Okay.
So they knew the Luvila. Can you get this? They could trace the ancestor. They could trace the village in Angola, Congo area, Congo Kingdom. So some of them never went back to Cuba. Yes. Yes. Questions.
Yes.
So basically, what you are doing now? Hello, Tata David. We're going back to Luvila. Basically, what we are doing now, we have science, DNA, microscope. We study, we see. Our ancestor knew that before many people. Are you with me? Luvila.
Luvila.
Okay. Yes, Luvila. Because
So
there's
Luvila, once again, is code for what your ancestral name is, or just it just means code.
Sorry.
It just means code.
It is your genetics. Your genetics, yeah. Your mother.
Genealogy.
Your kanda.
Sorry? Yeah,
Your
we can do
kanda.
that. Don't worry, I'm going to put it out because I need to explain for Teta, Sister Candace, and Brother Earl. You're going to understand. So let me bring my file. This was just the introduction.
Okay.
Because the proper material is very hard to understand. Oh.
Still here, just gonna get a better pen. Hold on.
think we lost him.
Yeah, I think you're right, Ellen.
Yeah, so hopefully he'll be reconnecting shortly.
For those who been through this, I personally, I guess, apologize because I know he's going back for us. So I apologize for holding you guys up.
No. This
No
is a good
apologies
review.
needed.
Nah, don't worry.
Yeah, this is good actually. It's a good review because it's a lot. So for me to remember what we learned, so
Yeah, because this part is very complicated.
How long have who been in here the longest? How long have you been in this class while he's reconnecting?
I think it started.
I think Tata David is the one that's
Tata
been on
David's
here the
been here for
longest.
long.
Yeah, I saw you Tata David on some old recordings.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
there we go. I know him.
Well, the older you get, time compresses. Doesn't seem so long ago to me.
That's true.
I'm a sure enough graybeard now.
Well, hey, you're not by yourself.
Yeah, I know. I'm sure he's seen your note, Alain.
Yeah,
So
yeah. I think
he
he's
must be really struggling at this moment.
Yeah, he's trying to reconnect. Well, I have my notes here, so I don't want to be the teacher here, but
I think you should.
You said that you think I should?
Yeah, we can keep this going.
Yeah, we can obviously have the conversation. So what I have on my notes here for Luvila, I have written here. It's basically your genealogy, or your ancestral. You would say kind of like a bloodline, if you will. And Kinkai or Kinkaka basically means like grandparents. It's Kinkayi. So you have grandparents on your mother's side and on your dad's side.
And that's for what word? I'm sorry.
Kinkayi. Kinkayi.
Okay.
So that word is for both sides or just the father?
That is an interesting. Well, actually, it's just on the father. Really, it's on the father's side. So your mom's dad and your dad's dad.
Okay, thank you.
With the Luvila, would that also be defined as your tribe?
No,
No,
it's
your
more.
tribe,
They want to know if someone asks you your Luvila, they mean, can you recite your Kinkai and your Kanda?
Yeah. So
You know,
so your
that
clan
they know,
is your,
like who you are, because they know who all your people are.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how they know.
So Luvila is made up of like different components, right? So you have your clan, which is called Kanda. Am I saying that right? Kanda?
Yep.
Yeah.
Kanda.
Kanda as in Kanda.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear
He's
me?
back.
Oh, you're
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Okay.
Now we can hear
I'm
you.
sorry, it's raining
Yes.
in London. It's raining. I think there's an issue with communication. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I was stepping in for you for a second, so
See?
you could have it back.
Yeah, Tata Ellen's a substitute teacher.
I was talking about a brother from Cuba. There are many of them. They came from Cuba, never went back. Yes? Luvila is your DNA test, yes? Get this. I mean, quote unquote, because this is. Can you imagine someone that came from Cuba? Remember, a brother, ancestor went to America, long time ago, 1700s, 17th century. But those people, some of them could remember the clan's name. Just by remember your name. Once there was in Angola talking to a brother, fellow Congo, they could trace because Luvila is basically distributed according to villages. So if you know someone Luvila, you can have an idea. Maybe they're from California, then they could trace the village where the ancestor came from. They never went back to Cuba. Okay, we're expecting another failure. Just Tata Allen, be ready to take over. Okay, wait. I was trying to share my.
Yeah, you were sharing your screen.
Tata Nengwa Kandes. Yes, Nengwa Kandes question so far.
No, not so far. I'm just taking notes.
You need to get this because this is not easy material. This how to call it, lecture anthropology on Congo Kingdom. Yes.
Okay.
Where's my?
I'm following so far.
Yeah. Thank you. Where's my phone? Oh, that's good here. Raining, reborn. Totally. Where's my phone? No. Where's my phone? Give me this.
Easy.
Okay, Tatale. You are the man. Tell us what is Kanda. What Kanda?
Kanda is your clan from your mother's side, since the Bakongo, Luvila, it's a matriarchal. I guess. Yeah, well, you have it up there. Congo people are matrilineal.
Yeah.
Your Kanda is your mother's lineage.
Yeah, thank you. Basically, Luvila means genealogy. Yeah, Tata Adrian?
Yes. I got that down.
Luvila means genealogy. Genealogy. Luvila, Luvila. Yes. Luvila, genealogy, of course. Genealogy is mom and dad. So we have Kanda, mom side, Kise, dad side. Yes. I know my Luvila name. My mom side is Kilungu, Tumbuluiva, Kimakitutulanga, Utotomotekolo, Kunangoma Pansu. These words are codes, yeah? These are codes. You have 13 words going back to, because we were 12. We did have 12 tribes. Congo people, yes? 12 tribes. 12. So I have 13 words starting with Kilungu. At the end, I have Panzu, one of the 12. Look at that, yes? Yeah, okay. Kanda, mom side, Kise, that side. You can see my screen. Tata Mabia, the question.
No question.
Yes. Kanda, it is matrilineal lineage. Kise, that side. But take note.
Can you raise that up a little? I was trying to take a picture of it where it says mom side, dad side.
No, I'm going to send you a file. Remind you. Don't worry. I'm sending the file. Kanda, Wakanda. Who watched a movie? Kanda is mom, Kise, dad. Please, any question, please ask, because so far so good, but not to get hard. Mom, we have Kanda, my mom side. My Kanda is Kilungu. It's 2 words, then ending with Panzu. Panzu 1 with the 12. Then my Kise is Kimalemba dia Nzinga. Nzinga is one of the 12. Are you okay?
And then you said Limba is also of your dad's side.
Don't worry about my Kanda mom side. My clan mom side is Kilungu. My dad's side Kimalemba. Kimalemba dia Nzinga. Nzinga. The last word is taking you back to one of the 12. Tata Dave, yes. Tata Biala.
I didn't understand. I didn't really understand what you just said.
Kanda is mom's side.
Right. And Kise is a dad's side. But you said something else.
So it's going to drop soon. Sorry, say it again, please.
Well, I understood the first part, and then you were saying
Kise.
Yeah, Kise is the father's side, but you said, I think you were talking about Kinkai. Is that what you were referring to?
Yeah, so far so good. Kanda clan, your matrilineal lineage from mom, Kise from dad. Then
okay, so why do you
Kikai,
have at the
Kaka
bottom
means,
where it's, oh, go ahead, I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Why do you have where it says mom's side is her Kise? Wouldn't that be her Kanda?
Let me just try to hide it. I don't want to confuse you. Let me go step by step.
I'm sorry. Yeah, okay.
Kanda, my mom's side, and Kise, dad. Then we have Kikai. Kikai, we go upper level. Kikai is grandparents' clans, paternal only. Yes?
Okay.
Kikai, upper level, paternal, only paternal grandparents, not maternal grandparents.
Okay.
Don't worry, sister. I'm going to send you the file. Don't worry. Okay. When I'm talking, you as a person, according to the Congo genetics, you belong to Kanda, mom's side, Kise, your dad's side, son. Then, take note, only from paternal grandparents' clans, yes? Only from paternal grandparents' clans, yes. So, mom's side is you belong to Kikai, grandparents. Mom's side, Kise, yes?
Which your father.
Your dad's side is Kise. In other words, you know that, I'm sure you know that. Here we're talking about maternal grandfather, Kanda, and paternal grandfather, Kise, sorry. Paternal, let me just leave it like this, I won't confuse you. Mom's side, Kise, that side is Kise. These are your Kikai. Question? Yeah.
Got it so far.
Yeah, because when you, the Congo tradition, when you're introducing yourself, your name is fine, but to us, our name is just like a nickname. You are your Kanda, Kise, and Kikai. Yes, your identity. Your identity is your Kanda, Kise, and your Kikai. Okay. It's just I'm trying to explain the same thing. When I say Kanda, I mean my mom's mom Kanda. When I say Kise, I mean my dad's mom Kanda. When I say Kikai, from my mom's side, yes, her dad's mom Kanda. Confusing. Is that
No, I'm good.
Yeah. Nengo Kanda is it clear? Yes? No? I can't hear you, sir.
Yes, it's
Yes.
clear. Thank you.
Basically, is there Congo people have valued women for a long time, millennia, yes? Long before the feminist movement, yes? We are alive. I'm just trying to summarize, You understand what I'm trying to say? Yes?
Hmm.
We were
That's a
there
good
before
thing.
them. We were there before them. Ma'am, we have ladies. I mean, quote unquote. We don't care about men in our tradition, in that sense. Yes? I'm just going to give an example. Uh, in my wedding, traditional wedding, we call it traditional wedding, but this is a true wedding for Congo people. Power, the last word belongs always to maternal side. It's my wife's uncle, a mom brother, or a mom even maternal uncle. This is the man that has the power, not my her dad side. That not be okay, yes?
Yes.
Yes. So woman rules in Congo tradition. Question.
Yeah. So just for clarity, right? I understand what you're displaying up there. I think just for clarification. So you said Kanda is your mom's clan, just like Kise is your dad's mom's clan. So the lineage going up from where I am,
Yeah,
going up
yes.
through my dad, it's still going to my father's mother.
Mom, you got it, you got it. Well done. Mom, lady,
Right.
only
So
lady.
it's gonna always trickle to the woman basically. So
Yeah, that's why we say we are matrilineal by Congo people, yes. Okay. I'm just going to display something very important here. We're going to leave it for you to read. This is modern, but we were there before we were there before them. I'm just displaying, I just leave it there for you to read. Just put it. I'm coming back to this one. Yeah, can you read it, please?
yeah, mitochondrial DNA, Kanda, is your inherited directly from your matrilineal line, only meaning your mother's 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 mother, on up your family tree until you run out of direct line mothers that you've identified. Did we lose you, Tata Panzo?
Oh man.
We may have lost him again.
Yeah, I think we may have lost him.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear
We
you.
can hear you now.
I'm sorry,
he's back.
London. It's raining. Yes. That's Audrey.
Uh-huh.
Where's sister? Sister.
Oh yeah,
Right there.
she just
Yeah. Okay. This is not me writing, yeah? It's from DNA Expand.
okay.
So what they are talking about, they're talking about Kanda. Yes?
Hmm.
We call Kanda. The word Kanda to me, not them. Sister, did you follow that, Sister Candace? Yeah?
Say that again.
Did you follow the display? Did you read it? Yeah?
Yes, I did.
Yes. This is modern science. Of course, we were there before them. Yes. Okay. This is where to call Kanda. Okay, let me just go back to from the beginning. Okay. We were 12, they were 12, yeah, we come from this kind of people, this 12. Let me just read it quickly. We have Vuzi Diaku, Panzwa Taku, Ntumba Mvemba, Nakongo na Lumbu, Taku na Vunda, Nzamba Pakasa, Pondia Wala, Konzwa Mvemba, Navela, Nanga Congo, Kanga Mvika Kinlaza. But Congo people, be it Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Angola,
Gabon. Gabon.
all of them the origin from these 12.
Okay, I see your name in there
No.
on the number 2.
No, this is not my name. This is not my name.
Well, the
It is my name. Not me. It's not me. Sorry, I'm joking. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, Ngoma Panzu. Yes, you're right. So my goes up to Panzu. Yes. David, can you read it fast, please?
Yeah, Congo people are matrilineal. It means that woman rules in matters related to life in the family. It is called Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Each Kanda has their own passcode, unique to their Kanda. And Kanda, mother's blood lineage name, leads to one of the 12 original clans that originated Kongo Kingdom.
Thank you very much. Yes. Yes. Our ancestors that went taken to the US. I mean, many of them forgot. I mean, they didn't write. They didn't know. We can't blame them. They didn't know about the can. Some of them they knew, but because there was no record, we lost it. That time I be able to read for us, please.
Congo people knew about genetics in their own way before modern sciences. When a Congolese person, Congo Mukongo, Congo Kingdom native, asked, Ki Luvila Lwako, what is your genealogy? They really mean, are you one of us?
Yes. Ningo tell you, are you there? Yes.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. When I ask you, Ki Luvila Lwako, this is what I mean. Are you really
Are you one
Mukongo?
of us?
Are you really Mukongo? Yeah. Basically, this. Are you really Mukongo? That's how can you help us? Kilung, this is my Makanda, yeah? My Kanda. Kilung, yeah? Can you
Oh,
read,
you
can you see
asked
the
me to
screen,
do
please?
something?
If you can read, please.
Oh, yeah.
Kilungu, the first word.
Kilongo is the main name of my clan, but you have 13 words after, which are unique identifier of my maternal clan. Remember, Congo people are matrilineal. It goes back to infinite generation of my mom's mom, grandmother's mom, great grandmothers until forever. The chance for another clan to have the same exact 13 names after the main name as mine and in the same order is 1 in a billion. Isn't it science?
Yeah, you answer the question. Member comments, you answer the question. Please.
Isn't it? Well, yeah.
Of course, it's
Yeah.
science. Yes.
This
Okay.
is just what you recited to us
David.
earlier, except by heart.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
Okay. My full
So
clan
that's
name
me
is
saying, that's me breaking it down. In other words.
Yeah, this can you see my DNN passcode is there? I'm going to read it for you. Kilungu. Are you following? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kilungu. Mfumbululwiva. Kiuma kitutulanga utoto. Matekelo. Fumuvo katanu kunangoma panzu. If I meet with someone in Cuba that can recite the same line, we are blood related. Are you with me? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't need to go to what do you call it? What we're doing now? DNA test. No, 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 no. No question at all. Remember, as we read in the beginning, in 1960 when Angola and Congo people mainly from the north of Angola, because of the war, they went to Congo because they were refugees to Congo. As soon as they reached the border, they met UN, what do you call them, HCR, High Commission for Refugees. The question was just, they didn't ask them, what is the Luvila? Just tell us, what is the Luvila? Okay, let us let's take like, if I say Kilungo, the entire line, then they write it down, they go to the villages, keep asking people, what is the villa? Can you send me a villa? Okay, they check. Until they find someone that it same villa, they come take you. Okay, this is your blood related brother, cousin. Villa, this
So, can I
generation.
ask a question?
Go ahead, sister.
So, your brothers and sisters would have the exact same Luvila.
Yes, this one Kanda. If you come from a common mother, great grandmother, you would have the same villa. Yes.
Okay.
Exact. No change. I remember I have cousins. Miss here. She lives in Ireland. I have niece. I didn't know. I knew we were somehow related, but I found out from one of my big brother, a cousin. Yeah, we call it cousin. He just said that girl you see there, it is from Kilongo. Okay, that was it. See, that was enough for me. Yes. She said
Okay.
that your grandmom, your great grandmom cousin, they moved from that village. They went far, 50 miles. I don't know how many miles away. They live there, but this is your blood lineage from your mom, Kanda.
So
I
just to
don't
kind of
need
add
to go.
to can I just really quick to add to what Sister Candace is saying? It starts getting confusing when you have the same, basically a sibling, different fathers or different mothers. That's when it gets confusing. If it's same mother, same father, it's straightforward.
Yeah.
No. Congo, in this context, not really, because here we're talking about mother, only mother. Kanda.
Okay, right. So the question was, do you have the same Luvila as your, I guess your brother or sister? But if you have different mothers, then technically you don't, right?
Correct, you got it. Different mother.
Do not the same kind.
I would control my tongue. Different mothers, we are not from the same kanda, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Different mothers are not from the same kanda. Of course, we find women, Congo people, because we just realize we need to control our tongue. For me, I don't care where my sister's sons, they are from same kanda. I don't care how many from different father, but as long as they're from her, so we're same kanda. Are we okay? Yes.
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 Yeah.
God.
Okay. We don't have surnames. Quote unquote, we know what I'm trying to say. There is no Kikongo word for cousin. We don't have extended family. Yes. This is our culture, Congo culture. Yes. When I say we don't have, we understand. Yes. We don't have extended. As
So
long
what
as
will you say? Like, that's my brother or that's my sister?
as long as you are from same kanda, it is your family, your brother. Yeah, your sister.
Yeah.
Young Tadio, can you help us, please?
I can't read the first letter.
Your name, yes, your name.
Okay. Your name has a value of a nickname. Your true identity is your Luvila. Brother equals Mpangi ya Yakala. Sister
Yeah.
is Pangi ya Nkento.
Mm.
Tsanga, a brother or sister of the opposite sex only. For instance, a brother uses it of a sister and vice versa.
Tutondele. Tanga, very important words. Only in Kikongo, I don't know other languages. Tanga is my sister. I only call it Tanga to my sister, and vice versa. Only female called male Tanga. My brother is not my Tanga, yes?
Oh, say it again. You kind of yeah. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, your sisters are your Tanga. Your brother are not your Tanga. To your sisters, brothers are the Tanga, not the sisters. Yes?
Okay.
Is it clear? If I have two brothers, I don't call them Tanga because they are male as me. I only call my sister Tanga. Yes? So sisters only call it brother Tanga. That's how it is, yes? Tanga, yes.
Yeah.
Is
See,
it-
oh, go ahead.
Is it Tonga or Sanga?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get.
Tanga.
Even though it's spelled, even though, so it's spelled Nsenga, but it's pronounced Tonga.
No,
Tanga.
Are you saying Sanga or Tanga?
Or
Tanga.
as in T?
NS, Tanga.
Sanga.
Tanga.
Sound like you're saying T, but it's
no. I think it's
so the NS sounds like a T.
It's a nasal.
Oh, nasal sister.
Tanga.
Yes.
Tanga.
Let me just go quickly. Oh, this is my. Okay, we're going back to this next time because I have my all. These are all my full ideas. Can you read my screen? Are you able to read it?
Kind of small, but
yeah. Okay. No. Don't worry. We will go going back to this one. Tata David, you again, please.
Yeah, mom's sisters are also my mums. Mom's brothers are called Nkazi. Long live the mother. My mom's sister's sons and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
Yes, thank you very much, Tata David. This is very important because we're talking about because we are matrilineal. Mom, special. You don't touch that. It is sacrosanct. Mom side, yes. Because traditionally, until now, it happened. People marry from their dad side, siblings from the dad side, yes, not from mom's side. No. Ngwankazi is mom's brother. Yeah, they have a special prerogative. Question, Nengwa Candace. I'm going back to you because this is the first time.
so the Ngwankazi is pronounced Kwanzazi, or how's it pronounced?
Ngwankazi.
So you just don't pronounce the N.
It is the nasal is your N. Ngwankazi. The nasal N is there for the nasal. Ngwankazi.
Ngwankazi.
No, we're going back to that. You have two words. Ngwa coming from mother, Ngudi. Kazi, someone honorable, yes. So, maternal uncle is very special to Bakongo. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, thank you. Can you read for Fumukanda? Fumukanda, please.
Fumukanda Ngwankazi, maternal uncle only, the lord of the clan.
Yes, see the translation. The lord of the clan, Wankas, yes? He's the gatekeeper. And what tell you, please?
Mom's brothers, sons, and daughters are also my children because their dads are from same kanda as my mom.
This is hard to understand if you're
Mom's brother's sons.
Western. If you're Western, you hard to understand. We're talking about Kanda, mom's brothers
Well,
and daughters.
when you go to the old saying, it takes a village to raise a child. That can go with this.
Yes, in a way, yes. But here we're talking about. Remember, we're talking about. We're talking about mom's brothers, sons. Yes. Oh, sorry, it's going off. Oh, sorry, something. Mwakazi. Let me just try to flip it over. Mwakazi, sons.
And daughters are my
Let's
children.
just give a quick example. Tata Allen, your sister, your sons are going to call your sister Tatan Kento. Yes? Tata Allen, yes? Can you hear me, Tata Allen?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Sons and daughters are going to. So, because they call them Tatan Kento, your sisters, brothers, your sister's sons and daughters are Tatan Kento as well to your brothers, to your sister, your children. Don't worry, we're going back to that. We're almost at the end. Mom's brothers, sons, meaning that, and one is Tata, are you there? Tata Mabiala?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, thank you very much.
So to put it in the Western context, that
Yes.
okay, mom's brother, that'd be your uncle, their son. So in other words, your cousins would also be your children.
Well, they would be your brothers and sisters, wouldn't they?
Right, that's what I
That's
thought.
here that they're your children, but I think we really mean here that your, in English we would call them your uncles and your aunts. That all their children are also considered your brothers and sisters because there is no concept of cousin.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think so. In this context, are they saying mom's brothers? So basically, the mom's
uncle, maternal uncle.
maternal. Okay, maternal. Yeah.
Maternal uncle's sons and daughters. Basically, maternal uncle. It's easy to flip it over to explain easily. Certainly, your maternal uncle of your sister's children, yes?
Yeah, my sister's children. Yeah.
Yeah, this angle is easy to understand. So your children, your son and daughter, call your.
Oh, you're breaking up.
Your sister. That don't get, yes. Oh, sorry.
Can you repeat that, please? Because you broke up.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm saying your children, they call your sister Tatan Kento.
Correct.
Tatan Kento means female dad.
Yep.
Quote unquote. Tata David, female dad. You and your sister are from same mom, yeah, same kanda.
Yes.
Therefore, you have a gene, maternal gene, same, yes, kanda, yes. Your children. I'm trying to explain the other one because it's easy to understand. Your children call you Tatan Kento, female dad, your sister. Then they also call your sister's children Tata. They are dads as well, because they share the same material, genetic material from the, from Kanda. No, they're from same Kanda with you. Is it hard to understand? Let me just remove this one. Give me just extra 5 minutes. Yeah, we're stopping.
Mm-hmm.
Any question, Tata? Tata, did you hear that?
Yeah, no, I got it. I think just maybe that we should have some kind of map that says, instead of saying uncle, you're saying sisters. I guess my female father, right? So Tatan Kentu is almost like so my kids will call my sister, um, my female dad, because we're on the same kanda.
Kanda.
Right?
Correct. This is very important.
Instead of
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
aunt. So
Right.
there is, because
No,
there is
no,
no,
no, no,
yeah,
no. Kikongo, we don't say aunt. We don't say aunt. We don't say aunt.
right.
No, no, no. We don't say aunt. Let me tell you right there. Okay, quickly, we're stopping in 5 minutes. Let me just use the Tata Len. Tata Len. Len sisters. Very important. Sister Candace, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Don't worry, we're going to repeat. We're going back to this again. Tata Allen's sister, let's call her Marianne, yeah? Marianne, yes? They're both Kanda from some mom. Because we are matrilineal. Congo, it's John, Tata Allen's son, Matthew, I put in Portuguese, Matthew, Mabiala. Mabiala, is there? Okay, Mabiala. Here, I'm sorry. Jenny, Jenny, is it like this? Yeah. Mary, Alice. Yes? So, Tata Allen, this is your sister. These, John, Matthew, Mateus, Mabiala, called Mariana Tata Kento, female dad, because of mom. This Allen, Mariana from same mom. They're from the same Kanda. That's why they call them Tata Kento. Hence, Jenny, because her mom is Marianne. From here, Jenny share the same material genetic with Allen, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So all Jenny, Mary, Alice, they are also, to John, to Matthew, these are also Tatan Kento, second level. Okay, we stop in there, sorry. Tatan, yes?
No, yeah, I got it. I understand.
You are the one that's going to explain the next time to
Yeah,
the
no, I
class.
understand. I was trying to just, I think, add more context to it so that there's more
Yeah,
detail.
because just keep in mind, mom side. But come on, people are matrilineal.
Well,
lady.
For us who are pretty much, as I would say, in the diaspora, who got shipped off everywhere, that belongs to the King Congo, wouldn't that make it harder to connect the dots? I mean, it almost would take. I mean, because I don't really totally rely on the DNA, because they can, these people can do anything.
They want money, They want money.
So wouldn't that make it more difficult to connect everything back together?
I mean, sorry, I always emotional when I think about this, because okay, I understand. I don't want to say much. I'm just okay. I'm just giving you an example from Cuba. Remember that guy in 1970s? Can you imagine how far back how far back ancestors were taken from Africa? Can you imagine that? Yes. He came in Angola in 1975, 1976, 75, 76. ancestors were taken from Angola, Congo, not Angola, let's call it Congo Kingdom, in 17th century, 17th century, yes, 5 centuries before. But he knew that he knew his Luvila, like I said, mine is Mamsa, Kinlung, all the 13 words. They knew that because Congo people in our tradition, this is sacrosanct. This is, what did I say? Motto is Kinkulu, Luzitu, Kinzonzi. When you are born, as soon as you start talking, you understand, your mom, first thing they do, every day, I mean literally every day, keep telling you, you are from Kilungu, Akanda, every time.
Mm-hmm.
This is the song, yeah? Every day. Whenever they meet, let's say someone come to visit our home. Oh, did you see that person? Instead of saying, did you see John? They say, did you see that Kilung clan guy? Did you get that? Yes? This is what they say. Instead of saying, did you see John? No, did you see that guy? They only identify a person according to the clan, maternal clan. Kinzonzi, Kinkulu, Luzitu. I'm teaching Kinlungu. I knew Kinlungu was my mom's something clan. When I was a child, I heard of Kinlung, but now I'm teaching it. See? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much for your time. Technology did not, I mean, the rhyme did not help, but we're going back to this lesson. Very, very critical to understand.
Okay.
Yes, I can say, okay, is it hard? Yeah? You're going back to that, don't worry.
No, I think I've got it so far.
Can you just, let me just try to say that I was bottling. Let me just try to say, can you imagine our ancestors that went to US? Each of them, not them, I'm not blaming them, not them. If those masters only wrote their clans on paper, each of them, believe me,
Mm-hmm.
you would not need, you wouldn't go to DNA test, yes?
Mm-hmm.
They wouldn't, at least names and clans. Okay, anyway. Sorry, we are where we are anyway. Tutondele. We're going back to Gikai. Gikai is very important. Tutondele. Luenda Gambote.
Lusala
Lusala
Gambote.
Gambote.
Asali
Thank you.
Gambote.
Thank you. Okay.
Ekietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo ngabo Congo diafwa Yeno luvo ngabo Congo diafwa bizatala kwenwe eyala ku bizatala kwenwe ekulungi mikanse Congo diatungwa Vangabo Congo diafwa Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa bizatala kwenwe eyala ku bizatala kwenwe ekulungi mikanse Congo diatumba
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renado, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei. Falo do reino do Congo, Ninha Lukeni era o rei. Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Luvila, se esquecendo mamá que pra vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi. Essa imagem me identifica. Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, mas nos liberta da maldição. Origem de todos para Congo, como diz o velho ditado. Do malogrado de talento, eu irei devoltar, mas a questão ainda é esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Olhos que vendem Kikongo, Quentava na tenda Congo, Lovana Sanda, o Mono e Fuanda. Luisa em Pangizeto, eu tô onso, Tatuque Congo. Tala eki nkuluketo que ainda em sangu, como Zabimba. E mwana Congo Kalegese, Songengangu e eki nkulukiaku. Arrima do Cochochola, arrima do
gravado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora cheguei, vou vos dar vitória. Kimafunga, minha terra, banda sagrada pra todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o belo ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu, Pulumbinga, Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando, Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Mkondo, Yannick Ngobo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Pulumbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fitizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanta Congo, patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Moana Cassanda de Mbau, Kimafundo, uasa.
Que no luvo vangavo Congo Jaffa, que no luvo vangavo Congo Jaffa. Visata la kwenwe, que ya la kulu. Visata la kwenwe, que kulungi mikasi Congo Jatumba.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi, em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de beste, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Butulama todo, com Butamuto Socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi, em Banza onde está.
É pra tudo, pele, é pra tudo,